Hello guys, this is Uchenaya Chat here. So today we will be looking at how I actually cut this very setup on GBP NZD. This is an almost 30 RR trade. This is 29.36 RR trade. Okay, so without much, let's get right into it. Alright, this trade actually came. I went all the way to the monthly time frame, and on the monthly, I can actually see that we have this. Monthly has been very bearish. Price coming from here, and we had this monthly key level right here, but price didn't get to that point, and we had this monthly CRT. Yeah, and this was the target. Okay, this was when the CRT high was actually taken. So after the CRT high was taken, price started giving reversal signals. Okay, so here this was also the structure. Here, when you go to the weekly time frame, on the weekly, you can see that we had this price rejecting from this very weekly structure. Okay, and with this as our inducement into that level, so we saw this very rejection from here. Okay, and that makes our weekly reject weekly. Okay, and we also had this very CRT formation right here. Okay, so and this is where the target was actually met for that CRT, for that candle range. This is where the target was met, right? So when you go to the daily time frame, now I have the conviction that price is probably gonna come all the way to this point, right? So I'm expecting price to come all the way to this point. Okay, so when we go to the daily time frame, what do I see? I see that on the daily, we have actually been, very bearish as well. And if you look at all of these levels, we previously had a reaction from this very zone, somewhere around here. Okay, previously had a reaction from this very zone, and we had a candle range after that very reaction. Okay, which was, here, right here. Okay, and this was when the candle range target was actually met, and immediately after the target was met, just like it happened on the monthly, price started reversing immediately after reacting from this daily fair value gap. Okay, so and here also you have your traditional SNR, daily reject daily. Okay, and you also have this liquidity inducement around here, this another candle range on its own. Okay, so that is one. And after that, price didn't come to this level. It respected this level, didn't come to it, but then I saw that price on today, I saw that price reacted from this very OCL here, and we are yet to meet our candle range target, which is this level. Okay, so we are yet to meet this very target, which was here. Okay, so this marks our daily key level. Okay, so daily reject daily. I went to the H4. This was it. Daily reject daily. I went to the H4, and you can see I have my type 2 entry. Okay, so I'm not gonna go much into that. It's a privileged information. Okay, so I have my type 2 entry. So, and here I have my H4 reject H4 as well. Okay, so after that, I just scaled down to H1 time frame. Now on the H1 time frame, I can see that after the H4 rejected the H4 level from these, after the H4 rejected the H4 level, I saw that H1 had given us a breakout, and this was the breakout around here. Okay, this was the breakout. You can label it breakout. Okay, that was the break. If you are confused, you can always go to your line chart. This is it. This marks your BOS, and this marks your change of character. Okay, so yeah, and from what I can see from this very chart, you can see that this H1 level is no longer fresh. Okay, and after the breakout, price left this candle here. Okay, and where is the next fresh level in this very zone? This H1 OCL. Okay, this is the next level, fresh level in this zone, and this makes our inducement liquidity into that level. Okay, so I just waited for price. This is where I think I went down to 30 minutes to refine my entry. So on the 30 minutes, this is exactly what the structure looks like. Okay, so I just went to the 30 minutes time frame, placed my entry with my stop right around this level. Yeah, I think so, or somewhere around here. Okay, so my stop around there. And where is my most nearest target? I am targeting this daily candle range here, and if possible it is gonna be a swing trade. Okay, in that I want the whole of this weekly structure, weekly structure to be consumed, to be liquidated. Okay, so this is where I was looking for my target, and this is price. And as you can see, this it was on 30 minutes, so I placed my order, waited for price to come, and this was it. Triggered perfectly. This was a 2.4 pips SL. It triggered perfectly, and yeah, so from there started pushing all the way down. Our initial target was actually met and more, right? We are currently running 34 RR. Okay, so, and I'm still holding some of this position. Okay, so if possible, I'm gonna hold all the way to this very level, if possible. So that's a very big prospect, but there's no harm in trying, right? I'm already running risk free, so I'm just gonna hold to that level and see what market actually does. So that is how I actually framed this very entry on Gbpchf. And please like, follow, subscribe for more. Okay, because I'm gonna be dropping mad content, okay, in respect of trading, that will actually help you elevate how you see the market. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you wish to join my community, everything there is free, and I drop biases like this. Just search for the description will be in this very video for YouTube, but for TikTok you can just search for Uchenaya Chat on Telegram, or you just send a message. This is it. It has this cross like icon, or you just send a message. I'll send you the link. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.